I'm here to discuss doing a Sparkline chart. Trying to explain it is rather difficult. There's going to be a mini chart based on each line here. We'll do it. We'll see how useful it can be. So it doesn't matter where your mouse is, but I tend to leave it where it's going to appear. I go onto the Insert tab, or the word I should say, and you got Sparklines here. You could do line, win, loss. I typically use the line, and then I want to do the data range. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the data, not the word. And then it says where you want to put it. I'm just going to delete what's in there. Highlight these cells here. Say OK. What you can do to make these easier to read, you can make it a little wider, the column. I can go here, make it a little bit deeper, so it's a little more dramatic. When you're in here, you don't have, you selecting all the cells at once. So what it is, I'm on the Sparkline tools, design. I could change the colors. I'll just make it red. I could also have markers. It shows other colors here. It's like a whole bouquet. And then I could go into here, the marker color here. I could do high point and make it black. And I could do marker color, low point, make it red. So you see the little markers in there. They're tiny. So I'm in here again, axis. You could say show axis. And I just go back into here. In the design tab here. You can go in here. If you want to do things, you can ungroup them. You could clear out what you've done. That way, if you have to start over, it shows high point, low point. But this is where you're showing that with the check marks here. You could have the markers here for each point there. I could change this over. If I click on column, it becomes a column where the reds are the low, the blacks are high. I do the win-loss. That I really have never cared for. And you could edit the data. That way, if you missed a column, you can go into it. Relatively simple.